Feed your tubing up through your base and thread it through your refrigeration connector socket. Then cut your insulation and spread it and slide on the base of your refrigeration connector and thread it on. Then take the two halves of brass flat washer and install them into the base of the refrigeration connector. Next, take the split grommet, feed it around the tube and into the base. Make sure it seats well. Then it's time for the two halves of the bolt-on cap. Use the supplied screws. And tighten them down with a wrench or a ratchet. And there you have it, a watertight connection that doesn't require you to break the refrigeration lines. And just for you, Andy, this is the inside of the hub for the Mac unit. As you can see, there's more than enough room to run all your tubing and electrical, and then some.